Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use progress bar here in Monday.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here with Monday.com, I need you to click the Get Started option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. The progress bar in Monday.com is a useful tool for visualizing the progress of tasks or projects because, for one, progress bars provides a clear visual representation of how much work has been completed and how much is left. I find it very useful because I can quickly gauge the status of tasks assigned to the freelancers or clients that I am currently working with, or projects at a glance, right? Because obviously seeing progress visually can boost the team motivation and focus. It provides a kind of like a tangible sense of accomplishment as tasks move towards completion. Now I'm gonna exit this one, and for us to be able to create a progress bar, I need you to click on this add a column. Okay, now there's going to be an option that says progress. If you can't find this on the super useful tab, go to the more columns and type in progress. And that's going to be the progress tracking, wherein you can show progress by combining status columns in a battery. Add to board. You see, there's going to be like progress like 0%, because when you click on this one, for example, I put in stuck, it's 0. This one is around maybe not started yet, and click on done. It shows the level, right, of where we at, because progress bars makes it easier to track progress over time and generate reports. I believe that it helps in monitoring overall project performance and identifying areas that may need attention. For example, if you're working with multiple collaborators, freelancers, and clients, you might want to show transparency by showing all part of the project or the organization, the status of the projects. And of course, I believe that it improves communication and alignment, because you guys can now prioritize tasks by highlighting which items are nearing completion, like this one, not started, and which are lagging behind, which are stuck. All right, this assists in real allocating resources or adjusting timelines as needed. And of course, I believe that you can set targets or adjusting timelines as needed. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.